after work, got home, found this on my porch. So let's do a little unboxing. Okay, these are my tail lights and my backup lights. They're from Alla Lightning. Get a better close up. These are supposed to be really bright lights. So let's open these up and see what they look like. These are the tail lights. They're red. You can tell by the red casing. I'm going to take these out of the plastic real quick. Okay, here we are. These plug in right to the factory sockets, as you can see right here. Easy installation, but you do need the resistors. I have two of them right here from the other unboxing that I'm going to have to splice into the wiring to keep it from hyper flashing. But outside of that, it's a simple straight through installation. Now let's open up this box and see what the backup lights look like. And these are the backup lights. They're a little flat, a little thin. It plugs right into the harness right here. This plugs right in. Doesn't need a resistor. Let's compare it to the driving lights. So the tail lights, round, plug in. This one is more flat, plugs in to the factory harness. This one doesn't need a resistor because it's not flashing. It just stays on when you put it on reverse, and it's really bright. This one needs the resistor so it can flash without flashing real fast. You'll need a resistor for it. And I got two of those. Tomorrow I'm going to install them, and we'll see how they turn out in a few hours. Until then, I'll see you.